Hi, and thanks for watching. Today, let's look at the 4 key energies of Chen style Tai Chi, Peng, Lu, Ji, and An. Peng really means this outward expansion, this outward pressure, pressing outwards. Lu means rolling back, deflecting off to the side. Ji means moving in close, hemming the other person in. An, pressing down. So as a short practice, you can do these 4 moves linked to each other. But what's interesting is that they are also embedded within the first routine. Often at the beginning, Peng, pressing out, Lu, deflecting off to the side, Ji, hemming person in, An, pressing down. Peng, not always in the same sequence. An, pressing down. So it doesn't have to be Peng, Lu, Ji, An in that sequence. You can have different combinations, but often, again, Peng, Lu, Ji, An. So finding these in the routine helps improve your understanding of the Tai Chi and will improve your practice. Practicing them outside of the routine in this sequence by themselves, one after the other, Peng, Lu, Ji, An. Switch feet, same thing, Peng, Lu, Ji, An. Practicing them by themselves helps build an understanding of these 4 types of energy, types of movement. The Peng, pressing out here, can press up, can press forward. The Lu can roll back, deflect off downwards, deflect upwards, deflect off to the side. Ji is always stepping in, coming in, hemming someone in, having that close quarter connection without collapsing. An is anything that presses down. Even here, this side, this is the An, pressing down, pinning something down here. So practicing them by themselves helps refine the understanding of these types of movement and how they apply to the Tai Chi practice. And at the same time, you want to practice them maintaining all the basic principles of Tai Chi. Keep the body upright. Move the body so that the arms follow. Brace out the elbows and the knees so you keep the structure. Relax the hip. Move the body in that figure of 8 motion. Shift the weight, turn into the hip. Shift the weight, turn into the hip. Keep the shoulders down. Release any extra tension. Peng, Lu, Ji, An. Same thing again. Peng, Lu, Ji, An. Switching sides. Peng, Lu, Ji, An. Good. I hope this information is helpful for you. Keep practicing, keep learning, and take care.